Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Devin and thank you for coming to visit. Please be sure to subscribe and to hit the bell notification right next to it so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So today is my curl anniversary. Yay! So I don't know when you will be watching this video, but today is May 4th and it is the 2-year anniversary of big chopping my hair and truly starting my natural hair journey. And so today I just want to kind of talk about my natural hair journey, and I want to explain to you guys all the ups and downs, the highs, the lows, everything in between, as well as a length check and what I plan to do with my hair in the future. So first I'm gonna scooch over here because I want to put all my pictures over here. So I got my first relaxer when I was 7 years old. I kept my hair relaxed all through elementary, middle, and high school. And I actually was one of those people who, yes, my hair was relaxed, but my hair was very long. My hair was very healthy. I didn't have those issues that I feel like a lot of people say they have to jump on the bandwagon. In all honesty, I don't think there's anything wrong with relaxers in theory. So I don't think there's anything wrong with, if you want straight hair, if you want chemically straightened hair and you just want it because that's the look of you that you enjoy and you like, girl, go for it. And tell everybody else to mind their business because they're not going to be doing your hair. The main people who want to talk about you should go natural and you should do this and you should do that ain't gonna never lay a hand on your hair or give you a dime to get it done. Let's talk about that. So I don't think there's anything wrong with them in theory, but thank you for coming to my TED Talk. But back to the main story. Yeah, my hair was long all through elementary and middle school, and then I actually did cut my hair when I went to high school. So in high school, that's when I got to do, that's when I started wearing a lot of braids, crochet braids. I got my first quick weave for my junior prom. Oh, I was so happy and you could not tell me anything. Oh my God, I look so good. And then I got my first sew-in for senior prom, and as well as I was gonna try out to be a UGA cheerleader. And at the time I felt like I needed long curled hair to try out for the team. And senior year is actually when my hair started to kind of go downhill because that leave out, yeah, I fried her. Because, you know, every other day I was in my mirror and I was like, ooh, ain't gonna be able to clock me today. Nobody's clocking me today. Yeah, I flat ironed my hair darn near every other day, just that one little piece. So it was fried. So to kind of like combat that and make myself feel a little better, after I took the weave out, I went and cut my hair again and I got bangs because I was like, I guess this is the only way I'm gonna be able to blend the damage that I've done to my hair. And this is when I really had cut my hair, again, shortest I'd ever cut it in my life. I want to say I'm 18 in this picture, and ooh, y'all, I hated it. Ooh, I hated it so much because I was that person who real life wrapped up so much of my beauty and confidence in my hair. So that was June of 2016 that I cut my hair, and I was so upset about it. Now in July of 2016 I started dating this guy, and we'll call him Redacted, and we'll use that to protect the name of the innocent. And I'll explain why me dating him matters in just a minute. So after we started dating in July, I went to college in August. And you know what I did when I went to college in August? Yep, I put that sew-in right back in my head like somebody with no sense at all. So after I took that weave out, I just kept braiding my hair back to back to back. I consistently braided my hair like that until I came home for Christmas break my freshman year of college. So December 2016, I relaxed my hair. Now we're gonna get into the fun part, because in January of 2017, I decided to start my natural hair journey. And I'm putting very, very heavy air quotes around decided to start my natural hair journey because I started my natural hair journey because of redacted. Yes, so this is why it mattered that I started dating him. We had known each other for years, and he would kind of pull me into these conversations of, even before we were dating, but it didn't bother me until we were dating, about how I should go natural, and natural girls are just this, that, and the third, and they are the sun, the moon, the stars, and the oxygen. Which we are, but I didn't believe it at the time. I genuinely think that's one of the most cringy things I've ever done in my life, was start my natural journey because of a man. Woo! So yeah, so even then, so I started the journey in January. Our relationship quickly deteriorates after, you know, around, like, once the summer hits. Like, after I get back from school, for whatever reason, like, our relationship just, and we broke up like 3 weeks later in August. So, and you know what I did? You know what I did right after we broke up? Right after. I want to say a few days, boo.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
Yep, I did it. I relaxed my hair out of spite. Because I was like, I never wanted to go natural in the first place. I was only doing it for him, and I loved my relaxed hair. Blase, 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 blase. And then proceeded to do the same thing I did freshman year. Yeah, I relaxed my hair in August, but then I braided it right back up a few weeks later after my roots had grown in. And then I just kept braiding it up every 6 weeks. Every 6 weeks. Every 6 weeks. Only difference is this time when I went home for Christmas, I did not relax my hair again. Because at this point I was kind of like, maybe I can go natural. Maybe this is something I'm like, I want to do. Like, I was more so doing it for morbid curiosity, because in all reality, when I was like, I'm going to do this, I was thinking like, okay, and if I hate it, if I hate my natural hair, if this natural movement is not for me, I can just relax it again. I want to say I kind of really committed to my transition to natural in September of 2017, I'm sorry. So that's when I want to say I kind of committed to the idea of, I want to be natural for me, and I just want to try it out. You know, maybe I'll like it, maybe I'll hate it, but I'll try it out. So that was what I did for the rest of 2017. I wore my hair in braids, kept it under control, all that kind of stuff. In 2018, January of 2018 is when I kind of started to try to wear my hair out a little bit more. And I did that same thing that every natural goes through, where it's like trying to blend these two textures is for the birds, y'all. I was so, and again, remind you, I'm still somebody at this point in my life who wraps up a lot of their beauty in their hair. So there is no way I'm gonna be walking around out here with my hair not looking good. Y'all got me messed up if y'all think I'm doing that. I will include in the photos, I will include a couple of fails where my hair just looks a mess, because you know that is part of the journey itself. Your hair's not always gonna be perfect. So February, after I was like, this is for the birds, like, this blending crap is for the birds, that's when I initially started thinking about big chopping. That's when I got really into like the YouTube videos of the at-home big chops, and, you know, cutting my 14-inch long hair and like that kind of stuff. Like, I don't know why, but that was like all that flooded my YouTube. And then, you know what, one day, a glorious day like today, May 4th of 2018, I said, screw it, I'm gonna do it. I decided I'm going to cut my hair. Yes, I big chopped my hair on May 4th of 2018 in my bathroom at home, and y'all, I loved it for about 4 hours. And then I hated it. I was like, what have I done? What have I done? Where's all my hair? I initially panicked, and then I went and got my hair braided the next day. But I got my hair braided up, and then I just proceeded to keep my hair in braids and, you know, other things. And I wore my hair out occasionally, you know, and I would do the occasional twist out and that kind of stuff. But mostly I kept my hair put up just because the length was still very jarring for me. But I had started to like my hair more. So in August of 2018, my sister turned 16, and I went to her sweet 16. She had a great time. It was wonderful. And my mom straightened my hair for the party. So that was that. So for the rest of 2018 through 2019, I tried every hairstyle under the sun, because now I was officially natural. So, you know, now I can do a twist out and I can just coil up my end. Now I can do a braid out and I don't have to use the little perm rods anymore. I was feeling myself. So like, I took that time to definitely play a lot with my hair and experiment a lot with my hair. I focused mainly on growth, but health was still very much important to me. So I also started doing my own protective styling. So I figured out how to do braids at home. I figured out how to do crochet braids at home. I just, you know, wore them constantly, happily, tried new things with colors and lengths and all that other kind of stuff, just because why not? So that was what 2018, the rest of 2018 and pretty much halfway through 2019 was about for me. And then 2019, I started my senior year of college. So August of 2019, I ended up focusing more on the shape of my hair, more so than the length of my hair. Like, my hair grows really quickly on the backside of my head. So for a minute, your girl was rocking a mullet because the hair in the back is long and the hair in the front is short. And then the hair in the middle shrinks up more than the hair in the back. So it was just weird. So like, I would slowly kind of cut off the back. So I would slowly kind of cut off an inch every couple of months to kind of let my hair at the top catch up my hair on the bottom. So I stopped obsessing over length because I got to a length I was happy with. 2019 and so far into 2020 has been a good year for my hair. Like, 2019 was a very good year for my hair. My hair grew out, my hair flourished. I discovered rice water, loved rice water, still use rice water. You know, tried new products, tried new things, really enjoyed my hair. And that led me to March 5th of 2020, where I dyed my hair. So I have wanted red hair for years. Back in high school, I wanted red hair. And especially after I went natural, oh, I just wanted red curly hair. I just thought red curly hair is so beautiful, and I wanted that. I wanted that so bad. So I finally just did it. I stopped listening to people. I love my hair. I love my red hair. A lot of people aren't a fan of it, but you know who is the only person who actually has to be a fan of it? Is me. The only person who has to live with the decision that I have dyed my hair red is me. And you know what? It makes me happy. So with dyeing my hair, and that brings me all the way to present day, where today is my second curl anniversary. It's been 2 years since I've been natural, and I could not be happier with my hair. So is my hair perfect? No. Does my hair not tangle, frizz, all that kind of stuff? Absolutely. But do I love it in spite of all those things? Yes. I love my hair, and I would not trade my hair on my head for anything. Some of you guys are probably watching this and thinking, she is way too passionate about her hair. It is just hair, ma'am. It's not just hair for me, because it's a journey, and it's a journey of growth of who I am as well. So now it is time for the thing I'm sure you all have been waiting for, which is my length check. So I'm gonna start in the front. I'm touching this part of right there. I'm touching right there in the center of my chest where my hair ends in the front. Next, I'm gonna do the side, and I'm gonna just pick a piece from kind of like the top part of my hair. And it almost reaches, it's a little bit longer than the front, because the front was just below my necklace, and this one is also just below, it's just below that line. Can you see that? Okay, and then we're going to grab a piece from the back and and it too falls just below my shirt collar right there. And when it comes to the back, my hair stops just about at where my bra strap is. That is my length check, guys, and I actually haven't done one for myself in a minute. So when I pulled my hair in the back and I could feel that it was almost in the center of my back, oh my god, like that was so satisfying. It was so satisfying. But I do have more plans for my hair. Ultimately, I do want to grow my hair to be waist length, and don't get it twisted, this color is not going anywhere. So corporate America, get ready. But I do have a hair regimen which I'm going to be sharing with you all very, very soon, as far as how I want to continue to grow my hair, what I've been doing to grow my hair, things I want to change, things I'm going to add, all that kind of good stuff. And I will be sharing that with you in a video very, very soon. That brings us to the end of our video. Please be sure to leave a like if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful or inspiring or whatever it was to you. Please leave a like. Be sure to comment down below with your hair goals, your hair journeys, all that fun information. I love when people talk about their hair and I get to talk about it with them. Like, hair is something I just love. I love hair. I love doing hair. I love talking about hair. All of it. And most importantly, do not forget to subscribe to my channel on your way out, because I would really appreciate it. And I want to see you back, sis. I know I want to see you back, sis. So please don't forget to subscribe. But I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.